So, how long should your adult child stay on your auto insurance policy? Now, if you're a parent, I get it. You want to help. You want to give them a leg up as they start driving, start working, maybe going off to college. And keeping them on your policy feels like the easiest way to do that. But here's the thing. This isn't just about convenience. It's about liability, accuracy, and long-term financial health for both of you. Let's start with the basics. If your child lives at home, drives a car you own, and you're the primary policyholder, yes, they should absolutely be listed as a driver on your policy. In fact, the moment they get their driver's license, even if they're not driving regularly, they need to be listed. Why? Because if they get behind the wheel, whether it's your car or a friend's, and they're not listed, there could be serious coverage issues. That's not a risk worth taking. Now, as they get older and life evolves, maybe they move out, get their own place, buy their own car. That's where things change. Technically, once they have a permanent residence elsewhere, and especially if they own or lease a car in their name, they should get their own policy. Not just to stay compliant, but because it's the first step in building their own insurance history. That insurance record, it's like a financial resume. It matters when they buy a home. It matters when they switch carriers. It matters for their rates for years to come. And if they're still on your policy when they shouldn't be, it could create headaches, denied claims, or even policy cancellations. Let me tell you a quick story. We worked with a family where they had a 24-year-old son that had moved out, but was still on their policy. He got into a major accident while commuting to work. The insurance company investigated, found out he had a separate address, and deemed he should have had his own policy. The claim? Denied. Tens of thousands out of pocket, all because no one had that one conversation. So what's the move? Simple. If your child is living at home, driving your car, keep them on. But the moment they start to separate financially or residentially, it's time to transition. And hey, this doesn't mean cutting them off. You can still help pay for the premium. You can still walk them through it, but getting them started on the right foot. And if you're not sure where that line is, that's what we're here for. We're not here to sell you something you don't need. We're here to guide you with the right timing, the right tools, and the right protection. Because helping your child grow up means giving them responsibility, but protecting them along the way, that's what family does.